First time in California.
Well, I already tried.
First time trying this. We'll see if the hype is real. All I gotta say is the fries aren't really that good. I'd rather take McDonald's fries or Wendy's. The burger's good though. I like the burger. The fries, I'm not convinced. Need some seasoning.
That's why you got salt and pepper in there.
I'm gonna say. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this, and then we're gonna go check out some secret locations. Not secret, but memorable locations. So we're at the In-N-Out parking lot trying to figure out what the heck's going on with my phone. And this guy with the Supra Mark IV as the Fast and Furious car is pulling in. So we're gonna see if we can grab a selfie.
Wasn't we just watching him last night?
I don't know, maybe. Hey man, do you mind if I grab a selfie with the car while you're waiting?
Go ahead.
Appreciate it, man. Hey, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. That's so dope. I don't think you guys were able to see anything, but yeah, that was pretty cool. So I guess we found a car event to go to tomorrow. So we'll probably get more pictures and stuff with the guy. Gave me his sticker. His Instagram's right here. Had a Fast and the Furious shirt too, which is pretty dope. So, which brings me to the next topic. We're actually gonna go check out the Fast and the Furious house right now. So pretty excited about that. It is kind of hot though. I have to take this hoodie off.
Can we please?
Dang, it's right here. This one right here. We're gonna turn back around and park right there and just take a picture to at least say we were here. Made it to the house, guys. Look how cool. If you guys know what this house is, you know what movie I'm talking about. And then Bob's Market is right down the road, which is pretty cool, which we're gonna end up checking out. This is where Toretto's garage was at back there, which is not there anymore. So we just talked to one of the neighbors and they told me that they just put up the fence because obviously, you know, they're tired of people showing up to their house and just parking in front of it. So now we don't get to see a lot of the house, but it's cool. At least we can say that we were here. So we don't want to stick around too long because obviously somebody still lives there, which is cool to be here and experience, to know that we made it over here. So now we get to go to Bob's Market, which we can get better pictures of. There we have it. Yo, random fact, I love cactus for some reason. And palm trees. This is the spot where Paul Walker got into a fight over here. And then over there in front of the stores where they used to have the parking spaces for the cars that pulled in. You guys know, you guys seen the movie. This neighborhood is so laid back. You wouldn't even think that it's so close to like downtown LA. Check out our dope rental. rally car style. I don't think I ever showed it to you guys. This is a really cool daily, actually. It's 30 miles per gallon. We just left Precision Dynamics. From you guys saw, I was only able to get a few clips. I was actually talking to Kennedy, who owns the F82 that you guys saw, the black one. I only got a few clips. We ended up talking for about an hour, and also I didn't want to record because this other guy, which I don't know if you guys might know him, but he's a big YouTuber from Mexico. His name's Hookah. So he has his car over there actually, and he was there and he was over there filming. So I didn't want to film, and then I didn't want to kind of like butt into his content. I just wanted to see his car, but they were still working on it. So luckily it was still there because help. So like I was saying, currently we're in traffic, like in bad traffic.
I think it's gonna stay.
The camera might fall again, but yeah, so talked to Kennedy for about an hour, and then we had to leave because we're actually going to somebody else's shop. Joy, is that legal?
Right.
So Joy messaged Xavier Wolf to see if he would enter. Surprisingly, he responded back to her. So we're going to his shop. He owns a F80 and a E46 and an E36, and I believe he still has his 240. So he's kind enough to invite us over. So we're gonna go to his shop, check out the cars, and hang out for a little bit. And then not sure what's gonna come up next. I'm gonna ask him if I can film, but depending on what he says, we may not. Hopefully we get there in time. We were supposed to be there at 5:30. He says right now we'll be there at 5:55, so it's not too late from the time that we're supposed to be there. But you know, so far I met some cool people today, and California hasn't disappointed besides the traffic, which is expected. But I guess traffic is not that bad until you're in a rush to get somewhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the only thing about the traffic is that you know, I use it to enjoy the scenery. Like I can drive slow and just kind of look around, enjoy my surroundings that I might not see again for a while. Oh, there goes the camera. Oh, but yes,
for the record.
I'll see you guys in a little bit once we get
For the record. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow any stone for you.
We just left Xavier's shop, which, as you guys saw, I thought it was a automotive shop or like a garage that he had his cars in, but it was actually his clothing shop, which was cool to see. So now we actually decided to go to this food market, which is called El Gato Night Food Market. I think it's close to downtown LA from the looks of it. So it's open till 11 o'clock, I want to say, or I think it was midnight. But you got some like street little vendors out here. It's cool to see.
Mm-hmm.
Turn right on South Union Avenue.
So let's see, we are almost there. Yeah, 1 minute away. Now we just gotta find parking. Oh, 4 Series, M Sport.
Hey, that's the same guy we saw.
I see. Is it really? In Hollywood? Yeah. Ready? Go! Go, 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 go!
Damn, my knees hurt.
Oh. The big Takis bag. Tacos.
Yes, I don't mind tacos.
Is it good?
I wonder if they got a bag.